Welcome back to KRS Investment, where we make investment simple. It's Ken, your entrepreneur investor. Guys, we have a huge update. Now, we can see today the market has recovered. In the EV section, we can see Pioneer Power, Plug. We can see Clean Spark. All these guys are trading higher than what they were in the last few days. Now, guys, you have been asking for an updated video and Pioneer Power. As I let you guys know, I only make new videos once I'm selling and buying. Now, I let you guys know a few days back when the stock drops from $11 back to $6.80 that I keep on buying on the low. Guys, by now you should understand what's happening. The EV market shows some signs of life this morning. Now, if you've been rocking with this channel the last few months, we try to keep it as simple as possible. We buy low and sell high. We can see going back from the last month, we can see Pioneer Power went up to this huge run. Now, even before we get to that run, when the stock was trading in the low 4 and 5, I let you guys know that, hey, this is a great opportunity because we see the other guys such as Clean Spark and Plug Power and Blink. Those guys were going in the 30s and 40s and 50s and 60s. So the next two company was Plug Power, was Polar Power and also Pioneer Power as well. Now, I let you guys know ahead of time that says this is a great opportunity to get this guy here back in the low $5. We can see since then it goes up as high as $11.50. Now, for anyone that got it, I did create a video, let you guys know, hey, I'm selling high because I'm planning to buy back low. Guys, I keep it very simple. No, I'm not online every day to give an update. I do apologize for that. Now, I got a few requests from a few of my subscribers if I'm going to do a new video on Pioneer Power, and I do apologize that it has taken me so long. But as I let you know in those texts that, hey, keep holding if you didn't sell in the high 10, or if you sold, you should have been getting it when it drops in the mid $6, which was below $7 per share. Guys, I let it know simple. I sell when it goes over 10 and I buy when it goes on to 7 in the hope of it's to break $10 again for us to sell to make profit. It's very important, guys. We can see the quick run up here to $11.50. From anywhere from here, we should be exiting this position anywhere from $10.50 to $11. That's the range I dump my shares, and then I'm able to get my shares back when it drops at 680, 670. I went in, I was able to get it just around $7 per share. Now, for anyone that's watching the play, guys, I keep it simple. We try to buy at a low price and we try to capitalize on the downtrend in the market. And then we try to sell when it goes high. Now, there's two ways you can do it. You can either go down, you could buy on the down, or you can buy it on the up, right? In trading, there's two ways. We can make money when it goes up, make money when it goes down. Now, I keep it simple. I don't want to be doing back and forth in these stocks. So I just staying with the same principle. Once it goes up to a price I like, I'll sell that position off. Then once it comes down to a price that I like, I'll buy. Keep it as simple as possible, less headache. It's more straightforward. Now, I do believe it will break $10 again, if not the next coming week, by at least a week or two. It is possible. So for anyone that didn't get to sell at $11, I encourage you guys to be patient. It will cross that mark very, very soon. Like we saw this morning, if we look at the chart here, we could see it was up at $8.80. That's over 16%. No, it's currently sitting at 13% right now. If you guys got in the $9-10 before, and if you guys are down right now with your position, it's looking to go back up very soon. So there's nothing to be worried about. But if you guys bought it low originally, just keep holding, man. All these stocks will rise at some point. We can see there was a huge sell off when you get up to this point here, which was understandable, guys. Once it rise up, a lot of people will be selling. Right, I sold above 10.50 as well, take some profit, and then I was able to get it back in the low $7, basically 7.15. So now I'm waiting for it to break $10 first. Once it breaks $10, then I definitely know it could go to that $12 to $15 range. That's where I want it to go. My long-term goal is to sell at $20 and then rebalance my portfolio in terms of the EV side. Now, we saw the similar play with Polar Power. We get it to 15 and we got pulled back to $11, and then we get it all the way to $30 per share. I'm looking for a similar pattern with Pioneer Power. Now, I just want to share as well that they did communicate some news that they that they have that is driving the stock as well. I'll bring it on my screen so we can read it together. So basically, the news says today announced that it has been awarded an additional group of location by one of the largest home improvement retailers in the U.S. as part of a previously announced service contract for preventive maintenance and repairs at the retailer's stores. Guys, we can see that it was an addition. Okay, so the award represent a 30% expansion of the contracts. So basically, it's the same deal that was announced previously, but it's an expansion of 30% more. So that is a good news for the stock price as well. If you guys were wondering why the price starts to go up, now that also entails of the deal with CleanSpark as well. We all know it's the same sector. So once there's one deal, there is going to be a noise across the entire sector that helps to pull everyone up. But the bottom line is, guys, try to get in at a low price and then try to capitalize on these deals because we see the price shoots up very fast. And this is what we have to understand by now. By now, we should understand with EV stocks or anything to do with any kind of clean energy, these stocks, they will pop, they go up 10, 15%, if 20%. Then they'll have a small pullback of 5 to 8%. And the next day, we'll see a rise again. The same thing until it cools off, until there's more news comes up. So if you guys have been following the panel, if you guys have been following the channel, I should say, please be cautious when you're trading. Make sure that you're being patient. Make sure that you're not rushing it. As usual, guys, do some research. Speak to a financial advisor if you're not sure. But if you guys are rocking with us here, anything that I put on is stuff that I invested in. So I only put on good stuff, and that could help us all make money. But at the same time, guys, use your good grace to do some research and speak to a financial advisor. I have to stress that to make sure that you're not investing into something that you're not aware of, or invest money that you don't have as well. So until next time, guys, if you like the news, please share, like, subscribe. Let's keep this channel moving forward for 2021. Until next time, peace out.